Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by verifying prerequisites so the process is quick and reliable. First, check your phone's model and OS version in About. Some menus differ by version. Once done, make sure the device is unlocked and has an active Wi-Fi or cellular connection so settings apply. Now open Settings and go directly to Network, Connections, or Internet, whichever your device lists. You're ready to find hotspot or mobile hotspot options. We begin there to turn off auto activation. You'll now locate the hotspot controls and change the auto setting. Open mobile hotspot or personal hotspot, then tap Preferences or Advanced Settings to reveal auto turn on, auto enable, or turn on automatically. Once you see the toggle, switch it off. This prevents the phone from enabling the hotspot without your input. Make sure to confirm any permission dialogues that ask for background operation rights, because those keep the auto feature alive. After disabling, exit Settings and allow the system a moment to apply the change. Finish by verifying the change and addressing common causes if it returns. Reboot your phone to solidify the new setting. Rebooting clears transient permissions. Make sure battery or power saver modes and any carrier or tethering apps haven't been given permission to re-enable the hotspot automatically. If the hotspot still turns on, reset network settings or install any pending OS updates, then toggle the auto option off again. One troubleshooting tip: if a carrier app is forcing tethering, disable or update that app before recheck.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.